Hey Taylor, I thought this was probably the easiest way to do that. I just recorded a video and it was a hashtag epic fail, so I'm going to try it this way from now on. So this what I would like you to do is for our accreditation paperwork, and this is how we have ours set up. Okay, so 6.1 says the curriculum addresses competencies related to interpreting theory and knowledge. And then it says evidence must include documentation that the curriculum covers theories, historical and interpreter role, ethical theory, practice, and decision making, interpreting needs of deaf, blind, and hearing consumers, knowledge of interpreting practices, including but not limited to, blah, blah, blah. So this is how we set it up. So this theories of interpretation and translation comes from this. Then historical foundations of the profession is right here. And then interpreter role, you guessed it, the third one down. So all those ones are a separate block. Then we have, hey, these are the ones in the sophomore year, these are the ones in the junior year, and then senior year. So in the sophomore year, survey and community are always there. Junior year, processes 1, professional interpreter, processes 2, which that should be a space there between the two of them. And so our accrediting body has said that they want us to use these 4 terms. I means introduced, R means reinforced, P means practice, and A means applied. So we have here, okay, in survey, we introduce these theories. In community, they're reinforced. In processes 1, they're practiced. In processes 3, they're reinforced and applied. So, you know, there will be ones that sometimes have all 4, have 3, have 2, have 1, and so this is what we're doing. So this is all, I think, fairly easy to understand. However, this is how we want it to look. Let's do this. Yeah, I've only downloaded it 17 times. Let's see here. That's really, there we go. Okay, so let me stop this and see if I can make it wider. Yes, I can. Okay, so this is what they're saying. Remember those? These are these for us, right? So that's here. The next one's here. The next one's, you get it. And so these are their course numbers. So ours would say like SPED 43100. And like this, it would say Survey of the Interpreting Profession, or just Survey. And then the next class number, and then the title of it. The next class number, and then the title. We like how they're all this way, you know, as you read up and then kind of tilt off to the side. So these numbers that we've talked about in the other document get transferred here. Now they don't break theirs up in terms of, well, these are sophomore classes, you know, these are junior classes, and these are senior classes. But you could really just take the same types of things for this and just break them up and move it over here and have maybe a bolder line or something like that to say, or even, you know, I don't know as if we necessarily, well, we might. Let's see, what's 6.1 say? Curriculum addresses. So this bolded part may be what is here, right? And then this goes all the way, there's like a immersion center across this thing where that's what the whole thing is about. But you could even add another row to say, okay, these are the sophomore or freshman year, or sophomore year, this is junior year, and this is senior year. That way you could separate it out and still have it like that. So that's what we need. Now, the dealio is that that starts at 6.1, and then we have one for 6.2. Right here, we have one for 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 7. Blah, 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 blah. Once we get down here, it's done. But from 6.1 to 7.9, 7.4, excuse me, we have all these different ones. Now you can see she and I have not done these yet, so Kathy Geething and I are still working on them. But if you could start that, well, we're all the way down to 6.5, so that's pretty good. If you could start that and, you know, save them as, okay, this is 6.5, you know, send it to me. This is 6.4, and send it to me. That would be great. So let me know, take a peek at it. I will send you this document, and I will send you this thingy here that we're using, and you can let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. Again, these would just be the major ones that fall in this deal here. And you could even actually name it 6.3 here on the file. That's fine. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions, Taylor, and I appreciate it.